Patron, take them away.
Okay guys, early morning, going to be looking to scalp gold this morning. Now it's about ready to go into market now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put an order, pending order that is, currently above the current price. And we're going to be selling it. Okay, so we'll be selling here. Now it is starting to rattle, so I'm going to sandwich it and put an order underneath it as well. Okay, now this is also going to be a pending order. This one will probably trigger in straight away. Put that under there, and it's going to be a sell stop. Okay, now this one I'm going to edge up. I'll explain what I'm doing with it in just a second. Right. They're the two orders that I've put in with a view. Right, okay, so we're in. So I'm going to delete this order off because I don't need that one yet. And I'm now just going to set in some target points. So from here, it's probably about 8 quid. 6 will do. That's all I need to do at this moment in time. Now, as I'm going through this, let me just pull this up. I'll explain why I'm doing what I'm doing. Just drop on there so you can see where it's at. So it's 172 against me. Okay, it's not end of the world. But we're dealing with 60p. Just drop that back. And what we're playing with is this. I only need 254, but I actually don't need anything because I've already achieved the month's target. It's the last day of the month. I just want to be in and out relatively quick for roughly that to increase this. And then we're moving towards tomorrow. So when the trade's complete, oh, there we are. It's pretty much done now. Where we at with target, 488. Right, I'm happy with that. Boom, job's done. There we are, 440. And we are finished. Okay. So, what was this all about? 30. So we start with 603.75. 5 in there. 0.60. Now this is a question for Danny from last night. When we were doing this and we're talking about where it can go, the maximum is that. Okay. So it's actually more than what we were thinking about last night. You should never ever go that far. All that means is that is as much damage I want to take on this account today. Okay, so that was 440. So the job's done, and it was exactly the same criteria I'm looking for every morning, which is the surge. So that's it. That's this month concluded for gold, or this BlackBull account, which is predominantly trading gold. It's currently 8 minutes past 7 in the morning. And I'm finished for the day. So what I'll do now is I'll now reset to see what I'm going to be doing for the month coming. Well, I'm going to leave it at 10% to make 60 quid. And we're now going to start looking to farm this 60 quid. Now, obviously I trade other accounts, so I might just let this one grow. But I'm definitely going to be thinking about this because I've now earned the right to farm profits. In other words, I've built it up. I've got a baseline of 500. So the 500 will always make me about 50 quid a month. That 50 quid a month will now fund a prop fund. It can fund Darwin X. It can do all sorts of different things. Or it can just give me a feel-good factor. That's all we have to do. So that was it. Nice, quick and easy, punchy. Month's finished. And I'm quite happy. That's all trading is. Just get in, get out, get paid. Don't worry about it. Happy days, guys. So as always, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.